Let me simplify how you can consistently find entries like this and entries like this. Go to a higher time frame and identify key areas such as areas of imbalance and order blocks. Once you have those areas and you have a bias, which in our case here is bearish because we're reacting from this imbalance as we speak, you can then go and hunt setups on a smaller time frame. Now this entry is actually very simple because we have our point of interest, which is the imbalance I just showed you. We have a liquidity sweep. We have a valid order block right here, and if we measure this entire range to the downside, you can see this order block fits nicely within our optimal trade entry area. But let's say you miss this entry, you then need to go to a smaller time frame. As you can see, price has swept above this liquidity at the start of the New York session and displaced lower. So all I'm going to do now is go to a smaller time frame and wait for a reaction once again to go lower. And as you can see, we had the liquidity sweep. This is the displacement lower. This is another setup you can take because it is giving you extra evidence that your bias is playing out from the higher time frames which we originally spoke about. You have to understand that the highest quality setups come if you follow the narrative behind the higher time frames, and within the higher time frames you need to be in line with a key area such as an area of imbalance or an order block where price is going to support your bias.